So our second paper is mathematical statistics. In this paper, the first chapter is theory of probability. Theory of probability. Introduction. The word probability is used in two different ways, subjective and objective. Subjective probability is based on individuals' person judgment about the occurrence of specific outcome. Objective probability is based on the random process behind the outcomes of experiment and mathematical measurements. Next point is the principles of counting. Definition. Counting principle is a way to find out the number of possible ways of an event. There are two principles of counting. First one is the multiplication principle of counting, and second is the addition principle of counting. First is multiplication principle of counting. If one procedure can be performed in m different ways and another procedure in n different ways, then the number of ways in which both the procedures can perform together is m cross n ways. For example, if m is equal to 2, that is the type of car. M is equal to 2, that means we two cars, C1 and C2, and n is equal to 3, which is the color. Three colors are there: blue, red and yellow. Then how many ways for selection of type of car and its color? So there are 3 ways, that is m into, so there are 6 ways. Why? Because m into n, which is equal to m is 2 and n is 3, which is equal to 6 ways. So there is 6 ways for selection of type of car and its color. We draw some table. Type of car, next is color, and next is selection. Type of cars are C1 and C2, and which color? Blue, red, yellow. Blue, red, yellow. So for car 1 there are 3 possibilities. 3 possibilities of color: blue, red and yellow. And for car 2 there are 3 possibilities: blue, red, yellow. So this means there are 6 ways for selection of type of car and its color. Then second point, addition principle of counting. If first procedure can be performed in m different ways and second operation can be performed in n different ways, then the number of ways in which one can perform either of the procedure in m plus n ways. So example is, if there are there are 3 engineering colleges and 2 diploma colleges, a student can seek admission in how many ways? So this is the addition principle. So 3 engineering college and 2 diploma college, that is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 ways. So student can seek admission in 5 ways. Next point is the factorial notations. Factorial is denoted by this letter. It is the product of all whole numbers from the given number down to 1. That is, then n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into so on up to into 3 into 2 into 1. That is, n factorial is equal to, also n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial, which is also equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. So for example, we calculate 4 factorial. So n is equal to what? 4. The formula is n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 into so on 2 into 1. So 4 factorial is equal to, n is equal to 4. 4 into 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 3, which is equal to 4 into 4 minus 2 3, 4 minus 2 2, and 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. So after solving this, so 4 factorial 24, so 4 factorial is equal to 24. Note that 0 factorial is equal to 1 and 1 factorial is equal to 1. Thank you.